So today we're going to cover a little bit about our banking process. We're going to talk about how we get paid, how we pay employees, and a little bit about Profit First, which is a system that we use to handle finances to make sure that at the end of the year and every quarter, we've got a little bit of profits. But before we get into that, let's take a quick break for our show sponsor. I'm just kidding. We don't have any sponsors. So we use a company called Novo. They're an online bank and they are pretty awesome. We used to use Aslo, but rest in peace, they got shut down by the big bank that bought them. Moment of silence. But we found Novo and we really love it. We are really easily able to integrate that with Square, with Stripe, or anything like that to see statistics inside of our dashboard. And with using Dubsado, we have all of our invoices paid through Stripe, and then it automatically gets sent over to our Novo account. This is really great for us because it keeps everything online. There's no physical banks that we need to go to. There's no fees. It's just the perfect way to get things set up, and it's pretty quick to set up. Another thing we love about Novo is the option to direct deposit. So whenever it comes time to paying our employees or paying ourselves, we just direct deposit right into the account and we are done and good to go. Another really cool thing that I like about Novo is they have something they call reserves. These are basically little pockets or envelopes that you can put money in to use for something else. So for example, we have an envelope for savings and we have an envelope for payroll. So when it comes time for payroll, I know I already have money in that envelope to pay our employees with. While I love online only and using Novo as our primary bank, we do have a secondary account at Hancock Whitney that has brick and mortar stores. That way we can go in and deposit a check when we need to. So we do some work for some clients and commercial clients that pay with checks that are weird and don't have this little number at the bottom or something that's easy to take a picture of. So I have to deposit those into a real brick and mortar bank. So that's why we have that account. But that account also plays into our Profit First system, which I'm gonna touch on right now. So if you're not using Profit First to run your business, you should definitely check it out. It is the idea that you take your profits first and then run your business off of the rest. So whether you are starting off with 1%, 10%, or however you want to do it, it is going to ensure that your company and your business is profitable from the get-go. This is a great way to make sure that you are not overspending on frivolous things, right? So what we do is have profits taken out and taxes taken out before we even run our business. So for every check that we get, every payment, regardless of where it comes from, a percentage is taken out. And we do this using a system called Catch. It is another online system that we love, but basically they monitor our bank. They take out a certain percent for taxes, a certain percent for profits, and a certain percent for savings, that's how we have it set up, and put it aside. So kind of like, when you get a W-2, you don't see taxes taken out, you don't see the Social Security, all that kind of stuff is just taken out beforehand. As a small business, you are responsible for paying that stuff quarterly or yearly. So we try to make sure that when the time comes to make those tax payments, we have the money set aside and we're not scrounging around looking for thousands of dollars to pay the IRS. So that's a really great way to get your finances in order, is using the Profit First system mixed with Catch, which we will link to in our description. But we love everything that Catch does. They're really great at communication, really great at setting things up, and make the process super simple. So look into that if you're not doing the Profit First system. That's an easy way to help you get it started. And then also, I encourage you to read the book Profit First. It is a quick read, and just listen to it in an audiobook, but it basically is going to, put you in line and set you up to be a profitable business from the jump. And it's super easy to do this when you're first starting out. But if you're a business that has been running for a long time, you're gonna wanna take this Profit First system pretty slowly. But in the book, they talk about, how to do that. So be sure to check that out. So if you like this video, be sure to, like, comment, subscribe, all the things, and check out all of our other videos on our YouTube channel. Our goal is to create content that will help you grow your business.